Yeah, hi. Just a quick one, earthquake wise. 16 hours ago and 25 kilometers depth. And we are, I guess, still on the French side. I don't know exactly where the border is going. They haven't marked it here anywhere. But there is the French and Italy border really close. And it's the southern tip of the Alps. And there is quite some earthquake activity. And actually, we could put it a little bit. Let's take 2 days. Yeah, so there hasn't been too much change, even though we have now 2 days. So they are quite fresh. There is something going on right now. 2 hours, 9 hours. And I was yesterday already watching that region a little bit. And we have water and lakes. And really interesting landforms. And I was following one of those waterways really uphill. And then when I watched from the other side, I was really surprised what I found because it was really good proof for my theory of that the waterways and the mountains were created simultaneously. I mean, the water wells. Yes, I think it's this one. Grette de l'Alpavin. L'Alpavin? Whatever. So, let me explain. Here we have this waterway, which ends somewhere here, obviously. But if we zoom in a bit, you can see a line which continues to the very peak of this mountain. And there is even this rock here as an extension. In the moment of creation, probably this was the last part where we had a connection from the heavens to the earth. And if we turn that around, you can somehow see it's going up here and it continues on the other side, like all the others do. They come up here and they continue. It goes up here and it somehow continues. Which means they were stacked together by winds, updraft wind, and the water was the element which made the connection to the heavens, so that it could maintain the connection as it went on. Here is another good example. Here it is water vane, and it's just continuing upwards and still, and it's continuing in a way on the other side too. But I don't think this was the best ones I found, because one place in particular I was almost mind blown because I thought, yeah, that's why I try to show you now what I mean, but it's not, I cannot find it. It's a bit of pity. But anyway, there is something going on in the French Alps. And why I think this is important. That's why I think it's important. Geothermal activity and we are somewhere here. So there is some geothermal activity, according to this map at least. And there would be many other maps to show about geothermal activity that we have there, geothermal activity and all these kind of things. So we are talking about the volcanically active region. Which many probably don't understand or might even disagree. But how else to explain geothermal activity? Because it's not just something which occurs randomly, unrelated to any geological features or what have you. Mineral springs and cryptodomes. There is a cryptodome in Germany. At least the one I found, which is somewhere here. I don't know how many else we have. The best example for a cryptodome is Mount St. Helens. Oh, sorry. So we might have to expect the unprecedented. And a lot of water. But I leave it here. Keep your eyes open for whatever geothermal activity related anomalies. If you live in a part of the world where you have this kind of public bath, warm springs and stuff, and all of a sudden it's closed for whatever reasons, you maybe want to know why. If there's a fluctuation in the quality of the water, too hot, too cold, too mineral rich, or whatever, it might indicate some more activity. Or if there's geothermal plants which have to shut down for whatever reasons, this would be also an indicator of something going on beneath your feet. So I just try to make people aware of that. And the most important thing is think for yourself. I just somehow try to explain what I think could be somehow maybe important to know, to realize. But make your own research. And yeah, thanks for listening. Bye.